Okay, guys, so we're going to look at creating a free VPS. Now, this enables you to run a desktop on a virtual server that is always on. It doesn't cost you any power, nothing like that. Okay, and what it enables us to do as traders is have an MT4, MT5 platform open on that virtual desktop at all times, which means we can get notifications to our phone at all times. Yeah, so we're very interested in this from what we're doing, you know, with PardoFX with Blash version 4. So, you know, a quick video on how to get a free account, okay, a free VPS account using Amazon Web Services. It's free for a year and then it will start charging. So you have to put some kind of reminder in your phone to deactivate the account when the time is up and then restart with a new email address or whatnot. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to aws.amazon.com. Okay, and in the top right hand corner it says create an AWS account. We're going to click that. So we're going to put our email in. So PardoFX at PardoFX.com, and we're going to put a password in for that. Okay, great, and then let's call it trading account. Or for this instance, let's say MT5 trading account. Okay, because I'll be using MT5 on it. Okay, so it's for personal use, so just put that in and then obviously enter your phone number and appropriate details as requested. Okay, have a look at the terms and conditions if you wish, and then create account and continue. So you do have to put your payment information in. It doesn't have the CVV code. Okay, so it can't take any money out without that, I don't believe. So after a year, you'll get a bill to whatever, you know, information you put in here. But the best advice would be to you know, set a reminder on your calendar that's going to be there in, you know, under a year's time to enable you to cancel the account. Yeah. Okay, and then we get to the verification screen. Obviously, all websites have this now. It's always over the top. When you make sure you've got the right country or region code, and with the phone number, if you're in England, for example, okay, leave the 0 off the front, and then make sure you're not a robot by putting in the key down the bottom. Now, I'm dyslexic and dyspraxic, so I always find these really, really difficult. So let's go. I think I can see that all right. Contact me. Okay. I've got something sent to my phone now, and so enter that key in. Fantastic. Verify the code. Okay, successfully verified. So what we want to go is we want to go free. Obviously, basic plan free. So let's click that. Okay, and after that, we want to look at products in the top hand corner. Okay, and you see we've got Amazon EC2, featured services, Amazon EC2. So we're going to click that. Okay, try Amazon EC2 for free. Yes, thank you. Okay, sign into your account now. Again. And it is a little bit slow and it's slightly long-winded, but actually very simple to do. So what we're going to do is when we come onto the management console, okay, we're going to launch a virtual machine. Okay, you see this little drop-down menu on the left. Let's click free tier only. Okay, great, and we can select any of these, but what we're going to do is we're going to select the 2002 R2 base, which is this one. We'll select that. Okay, fantastic. You come to this screen. Review and launch. Okay, continue, launch. Okay, and when it comes to this screen, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download, okay, something. So create a new key pair. This drop-down menu here, create a new key pair. Okay, and then call it whatever you want. So again, for me, MT5 VPS, or let's say MT5 free VPS. Okay, so I'm going to download that key pair now. Fantastic. And then what we want to do is go launch instances. View instances. Okay, so you can see instance state's pending right now. Okay, we're just waiting for that to come up as connected, and then we can, you know, continue. So what you'll find is you've downloaded this topic, this file, and it's on the bottom left of your download screen, or it's in your downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show that in folder for the time being. Okay, I'm going to move that to the desktop just to make it easier for you guys to see in a minute. Okay, so let's just go out of that for a second. Okay, let's put this on the desktop. Okay, there it is in the middle. All right. Okay, so the instance state is now running. So what we can do is we can connect to that. So let's do that, and it's done. What you want to do at this point is download your remote desktop file, okay, to automatically connect to your VPS. So let's do that. And again, I'm going to, if that's in my downloads folder, I'm going to move that to my desktop. Okay, you don't have to do that. Okay, I'm just doing it for ease of use. Okay, you can see the icon here. Okay, you click that, that would automatically connect to your VPS. Yeah. If you're on Apple, okay, you might have to go to the App Store and search term RDP, remote desktop, and you want to look for the Windows version, you can download that, okay, and it'll do exactly the same thing. Okay, great. So password, get password. Okay, once you press that, you need the key pair path. You need the key pair path, and that is the file that you downloaded first. So we're going to choose file, and then we'll go desktop. Okay, because I've put it on my desktop, and it's somewhere on here, mt5 free vps.pem. Okay, and come up with all this shenanigans in the middle. Okay, don't worry about that, just press decrypt password. Okay, and now you have the password there. Okay, so you can copy that to clipboard to use it in a minute. Close it down. Okay, close this down. And now what we can do is we can go to this remote desktop button that we've already put. Okay, connect, and here's your password. Copy paste. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so you know that's the first step in getting this set up for your MT4, MT5, or however you want to use your free VPS. And this will last for a year. Okay, it will last for a year. So you know it's a hell of a service, really. Okay, if you think about it, you know there's a lot of opportunity to profit using a service that's free for 1 year. Okay, so that's where we'll stop for now. But if you want to use the internet on this to download stuff, okay, it's worth downloading Chrome or Firefox or whatnot, because the security services on the Internet Explorer on here are really, really, really tight. Okay, but we'll go through that on the next video. Thank you.